Hello everybody. I'm so excited. I got my first trend box from Johnson Plastic Plus. So I wanted to get this box so I could get some samples of things to show you, those of you who do sublimation. So I'm pretty excited to get this box. I have no idea what's in here yet. Whoa, lordy, lordy, I'm gonna kill myself. I think I'm an accident waiting to happen, that's for sure. How does this open? Don't really know. Maybe? I think I should have a better tool, don't you? Than my snowman scissors. Let's see if I can do it with my left hand. Okay, that's not too good. What the heck? How do you get into this? Let's see what we got. Alright, comes packaged nicely. I have no idea, like I said. Now, you do get a coupon code, a code for 15% off if you purchase more stuff. But, you know, I have a code that I prefer that you guys use. If you do ever buy this box, you can't use the coupon code to get the percentage off of the box. But when you purchase things, if you want to add more things from the box, I have a coupon code which is 9PLP84. Oh, anyway, this sheet shows, I think, whoops, I gotta turn up my way. This sheet shows, I think, what's going to be in here. It says I'll have a steel dry erase board, photo slate, an aluminum ornament, a red sublimation mug, a stainless steel bottle, and a glass cutting board. Cool beans. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, the first thing it looks like I'm opening up first, obviously, is the mug. This is a nice mug. Nice weight. And I like red. Red is a favorite color of mine. Nice mug. And I know they have all different colors. Maybe I should fix this camera just a little bit. There we go. I know they have all different colors of these mugs available too. So what I'm going to do is, on my Facebook group, Cutting Up with Patty Ann, I'm going to list all these things and have you guys vote on which you'd like me to sublimate on first. So this is the little ornament. It's cute. So I keep turning it so that you could see it, but I forget the cameras. I fixed it so it'll be this way. Photo slate. This is heavy. Feels nice. How do I open this box? Photo slate. Okay, it comes with the stand. And everything's really nicely wrapped. Okay, there's the slate. And I guess it goes on this stand somehow. And you guys know me. I am no good at puzzles. So putting this stand... Oh, there we go. I figured it out. So putting this in the stand was a little bit tricky for me. Anyway, there's this side, and then there's this side as well, too. I'll have to read on it to see if you can sublimate on both sides. I don't know. So that'll be interesting. What I love about this company, too, as I've told y'all before, is that you can just go online and look up the products, and they give you the starting point that they recommend for sublimation. And I'm talking about the pressure, the time, the amount of heat, all that stuff. So there's that. So this is the trend box again. Hello, trendsetter. Get it, create it, and tag it. Okay. Let's see, what have I got here? Stainless white beer. Stainless white beer. 2 beer things. And again, another thing I like about this company is this. Their things come boxed. So if you want to make these for gifts, they're perfect for giving away as gifts. Okay, that's interesting. A beer bottle. That's kind of cool, isn't it? And I'm assuming that it's probably stainless steel, and I'm assuming maybe that it's insulated, but I'll double check that on the website. And this is perfect. This will fit easily into my mug sublimation. Remember, I have the 4-in-1 sublimate or heat press. Okay, so I have 2 of those. What else have we got in here? The last thing, I guess, is this, which is, I thought I was supposed to have 2 more things. Oh, I do have 2 more things. One is the dry erase board, I guess, right here. Dry erase board. And then this one should be the glass cutting board. Sweet. Oh. Oh, and it comes with the little feet that you need. I better not lose those. Put them back in there. So, I'm going to put all these things, I'll list them, like I said, in our Facebook group, and maybe y'all will do me a favor and vote which one you'd like me to sublimate first. Maybe you can say first, second, third. I don't know. Let me see how I can put that up on there. Way to vote. So again, there were the wine, what are these? Wine, stainless white beer bottle. There's the dry erase board, the glass cutting board, ornament, the red mug, and the photo slate. I believe that was everything. Let me double check. So again, let's see. Steel dry erase board, photo slate. Looks like they did it on the front, the white part of that, not the dark part. I'll have to double check this. There's the aluminum ornament, red sublimation mug. And on this side, we have the glass cutting board and the stainless steel beer bottle. So, thanks for joining me. Can't wait to get started. Please go to my Facebook group and check in and let me know what you want me to do first. See you guys. Bye.